Traffic Monetizer. Hundreds of marketing and advertising agencies need to visit customer websites from different regions to make sure their ads are displaying properly and check the results of their efforts. Website availability testing. Visiting your favorite website only to find out that it's down can be, to say the least, frustrating. However, for the owner of this website, this can turn into a real problem. Price comparison, brand protection, ad verification, streaming content delivery. To unlock the content, viewers search for workarounds and often use VPN services to simulate the connection in a country where desired content is available, lifting location-based restrictions. Traffic Monetizer provides a platform that helps people access websites. Web scraping. Web scraping is heavily used in various industries. Website availability testing, price comparison, brand protection, ad verification, streaming content delivery, lifting location-based restrictions. Web scraping, website availability testing. You will maximize your profits by adding all your devices to the network.